Hello and welcome to GUI Programming with PySimpleGUI. Today we're going to make a GUI window that takes input and it will display what you input on the screen. If you ever run into trouble with PySimpleGUI, go to PySimpleGUI.org and that will get you to the Read the Docs documentation for PySimpleGUI. Today's GUI is going to be a rather simple one, and the first thing you do, even with simple GUIs, is fire up a form designer. And for PySimpleGUI, this is our form designer. It's good, no matter how simple, to lay out your GUI ahead of time, because then you can get it right on paper. So let's lay this one out, and it says, hello, what is your name? We have an input field and a button that says OK. The next step, after you lay out this nice little window, is to divide up your window into rows, because we are going to program this as rows. So let's get started here with our program. First thing you do, this is Python 3 that we're using. We're going to input PySimpleGUI as sg. There are 3 steps to creating a PySimpleGUI window. There's the layout, then we create the window, and we read the window. We get the information back. So let's work on the layout. I'd mentioned that there are rows, and within the rows there are there's a list. So there's a list that represents the whole window, and each row is represented by a list, because you could have 2 text things on one row, for example. Ours has a single text, and it said, what is your name? Our next line, it's another list. It's an input field, input text. There's no values for that. The last thing is a button, and we'll put OK on it. So let's pull back here our window, our GUI again, and as you can see, each row of our GUI has a row in the layout. And if you can remember that, you've got PySimpleGUI down. Create the window. We say window equals a window, and you give it the title of the window. That's the only parameter we're going to use. There are many more parameters. If you're using PyCharm to see them, you can hit Control P and it will bring up the list. We're not going to use any of those at the moment. Just wanted to show you how to do that. It's 2 steps to create a window. You create the window object, and then you give it the layout. Don't worry about the Python specifics of this. Just copy and paste it and use it in your program. To read the window, we get back 2 things. We get back button, and we get back the values that are represented by the window, the input fields. And we do window.Read. Let's do something with the input values. And instead of print, we're going to do pop-up. We're living in the GUI world. So rather than do a print, we'll do a pop-up. And what we're going to say is, hello, welcome to PySimpleGUI. Format. And what we want to do is say, hello, welcome to PySimpleGUI, and put the name in there. And these values that come back are a list, and they are a list of the input fields. And there's only one, so it'll be values sub 0, the first thing in the list. And that's it. So let's run this. We get a window, and it matches our layout, text, input, button. The title came from here. So let's put in a name. We hit OK. we get a second window, which is this pop-up. Hello, Frank. Welcome to PySimpleGUI. And that's it for this lesson. I just wanted to give you an overview of how to create a window, a custom window, and get information from it.